This is a video chart presentation of Metallico Inc. Metallico trades on the Amex exchange under the ticker MEA. Nice day on Friday, closed up 5.7%. Obviously fell off a cliff back here in the beginning part of August. Dropped through a really solid support level around $5.25. A lot of room to make up, try and come back and challenge the underneath side of that support, now resistance. But a few nice candles here in the last week. Looks like it's really trying to reverse course. MACD histogram trending back towards zero. Bullish cross just now happening. You can see a histogram bar just now popping to the north side of zero. Classic PPO ADX pinch. Very nice setup with the ADX. Positive and negative DI starting to make their rotations. Looks like some money's trying to flow into this. All three components all nice and neat together. Again, nice look to the MFI. You can see kind of a baseline level right through here. The accumulation distribution's bounced off several times. Looks like it's putting together a little bit of an upward swing as well. Not a great sign. Jake and money flow made a new lower low. You always want to see higher lows being made. It is moving pretty sharply back towards zero now. It's a nice look to the CCI, holding above negative 100, trending upward. Full stow trying to come out of oversold territory. Looks like some momentum's coming into the play. Tricks, as we always mention on this sort of drop, you're just not going to get anything from it. It's too slow of a mover. But the RSI is also trending up. You see breaking through this area, making a new higher high. It's going to be important to see the 14 and 21, those red and gold lines, continue to make their push. As I mentioned, there's a pretty solid support level right through there. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 times bounced off of it. The only thing that should have alerted traders was the fact that it was not making higher highs. See, it was really struggling, even though it had a lot going for it. This is a nice climb through here from $5.29 to over $6. A lot of upward trends happening, but that price per share just not making higher highs should have been a little bit of alert that something was going on. You can see the MACD was kind of going along with that same idea, continually trending downward. We'll just say that's in the past. Right now, where is it? Of course, a bottom support at 364. But I'd be a little bit more nervous if it can't hold 380. There is a little bit of support set up through there already. And like I just mentioned with the indicators, you always want to see higher lows be made. These two candles right here made up a bullish harami reversal pattern. It did get confirmation the next day, albeit on lower volume, but it did get a confirmation of the pattern. Now, the harami itself isn't the world's strongest reversal pattern, but it is still a reversal pattern that was confirmed. People would look at these two candles, you'd call it a bullish engulfing, which on the basis of just two candles side by side, it indeed is. But I like to see reversal patterns truly on the bottom, not when it's starting to make a move upward. But it is a sign of strength. Stock gap down and then push strong throughout the rest of the day and close near the highs. There is some resistance right there in front of it, just slightly higher than its high from Friday. It's going to be a little bit of a tough spot for it. But if this is really going to start to continue to push this momentum forward, it should be able to take that out. It doesn't meet a whole lot of resistance again. There's going to be some up here around 470, but then it's pretty much back up to that 525 mark that it fell through. You can see the 50-day moving average is going to come into play. In the interim, this 20-day moving average is coming down on it. It's always important for a stock to start trending over top of that 20-day. But I thought this was a good chart to look at to see some things that were going on in the past. And then, of course, when it falls apart, to see how it's trying to make some kind of recovery. And MEA certainly has that look that it's trying to come off this bottom and maybe identify this as a true bottom. But it all starts with holding some support levels and seeing if these indicators are going to push their way into an even stronger bullish position. So it's a good one to keep an eye on this week, and we'll see how it performs. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the Metallico chart. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.